The purpose of this clip is to demonstrate how to add a forum to a Moodle page, a Moodle course page. So I'm going to click on my Moodle GA introduction. And that will take me to my Moodle course page. As you can see, editing is turned on because the various options for adding an activity or resource is visible. So I'm going to go down here. I already have added a course or a forum called What Are Your First Thoughts on Moodle? What I'm going to do now is I'm going to delete it first of all to show you how to delete something. Okay, I can delete that particular forum. And then I'm going to add it again in a moment. So I want to add it just like any other activity or resource. Click on the plus sign. Scan the list of options, and forum is under the activity, the resources rather. So click on forum and add. When I go in here, I'm just simply going to pose a question. What are your first thoughts on Moodle? And when you go down the screen a little bit, you can see there's a whole list of settings that you can play around with. About the amount of what attachments can upload, the number of words in the posting, etc. Restricting access. If you're going to be changing a lot of those default settings, what you can do initially is expand all. Now, if you expand all, we'll then expand each one of them so you can see what's available to you. So you can restrict the attachment size to a certain number of kilobytes or megabytes. So we'll just say it's going to be 1 megabyte. You can block people from posting so many postings, etc. And restrict access. So when you're finished making those adjustments, if you make any adjustments, save and return to course. So now you can see the forum. So we can switch to student view. So we don't have to turn editing off first. We can just switch role to student. And what you can do is then go in and look at how the forum appears from a student perspective. Okay, so what you've got here is the option to add a new topic. So if I want to add a topic about, we'll say, the add resources feature, and then make some post on how rich or how poor or how easy to use that feature is, you can do that, and then you can obviously post to the forum. So you can. So if we go back here to the to Moodle overview, and we look at the posting, there's no discussions. It says yes. That's because I presume I'm not in as a regular student. I'm in as a teacher. Okay. So what I can do when I'm finished playing around with my forum, I can return to my normal role. Okay. So again, when you're working with Moodle, just make sure that you're always aware of where you are and what role you're logged in as. So I'm going to go back now to the main course page, and I can turn editing on again if I see fit, and go down and add more resources if I want to. So that's a very quick demo on how to add a forum to a Moodle course page.